Hello everyone, it's Adam here. This is a 24 R1250GS, and this is a front and rear sergeant seat, but basically you have an OEM seat on your bike, I presume, and we want to carry more stuff, and we don't have a Pillion anymore, so we're going to install this beautiful bastard. Sorry. So I love the Black Dog stuff, high quality, really, really high quality. They had a blemish sale going on, so I'm excited to put this on the bike. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the rear seat. You're going to put your key in here, turn that backwards, pull your rear seat off like that. And then you're going to find on your bike 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the front ones are going to be a little bit longer. Keep that in mind. And you're going to come over here and you're going to find the bolts that Black Dog CycleWorks installed. These are the front, these are the rear. You're going to apply some Loctite to these. And then you're going to screw these into place where these T40s were before, like that. And then you're done. You have your mount just like this. You will not be able to run a rear seat, obviously, but you'll have a really nice luggage grid for hauling more stuff. I might even go as far as to say, like, putting a couple holes here for a Rotopack setup. That's not, like, I'm not sure I'm going to do that, but I might do that. So here's the Rotopack's bolt. So putting it like that, dead center. And then if you grab a couple of, let's see, do we have any, there's a water tank. When you're on a trip and you want a gallon of water and a gallon of gas, you can put it like that. And you'll see if you put, I'll do some test fitting, but I think I want to put the water or gas here as opposed to back here. But we'll see. I'm going to try it out and see what we got. But for now, that's the install. I'll get back to you guys in a few minutes. I don't know if this is going to be the final form, but this is what I'm thinking about going with for the setup. So sergeant seat up front with the heated seat controller. And then as you can see how the Black Dog just works perfectly with those lines. It is just an excellent accessory. So you have the front spacer, which is larger, and the rear spacer, a little bit shorter. And obviously, one thing I'll say as a test I did and make sure it was tight enough is I grabbed this and make sure there was no play on either of these brackets, and then tightened it right down. And of course, they have the Sergeant Cycle EM5 backrest, but this is just a perfect accessory for the GSA. It's excellent. I love how this looks. I might end up going with the moving the Rotopacks down here. I did test fit it. I'll put that water. So if you do this, it does fit. Dead center there. It does fit dead center. You could put a water and fuel combo there, or just a water there, and then buy a second Rotopacks for the upper. This is the Black Dog rack up here. So you could do that for sure. I think that if I did this plus fuel here, then it would make this off center. I'm thinking about like a bag like that up there. You'll put that across basically lengthways. The plan for my upcoming trip is that I'm going to have all the lightest things. And when I say lightweight, I mean this like mountain hardware tent, the Ranger 15 sleeping bag, the goose nest cot, and like my pillow right there. That stuff will be basically sitting on top of the bike and kind of be on the lightweight, but it'll be on top of 1 gallon of water and 1 gallon of fuel. Why 1 gallon of fuel is because I'm going to be going to a place without any fuel, even for the GSA. So I don't know yet. We'll see. For now, I can go through my whole setup, which is basically water and fuel in the back, and just leave that there, and then drape the duffel across this way. It doesn't matter, but for your setup, it's probably fine. I'm thinking about drilling a hole in that for the Rotopacks. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And Black Dog, thank you for sending this over. I appreciate it. I did pay for it, but I got it for a blemish price, which was nice for them to find something out in the warehouse and say, hey, we found this thing for you. Do you want it? Yes, of course. So, yeah, everyone, thanks for watching. Ride safe.